Are you fed up of looking like this, wearing the boo font? Are you growing your hair, or you're just struggling to style it? Do you want to know how to look like this or this with minimal effort? What's up, amigos? Hope you all good. I'm Costa here at Beardbrand Alliance, and I might just have the solution for you. Right, so the first thing I have to do is obviously jump in the shower and wash my hair, get rid of this craziness that's going on up there. So bear with me a moment. I'm back, guys, showered and ready. All I did was towel dried my hair, got ready, did all the like moisturizer and clothes and all that stuff, and left the hairstyling for last. All we're gonna do now, with minimal effort, yes, I'm gonna say it one more time, minimal effort. Use a comb the hair backwards, and then just see where it's all falling, the parting. If you do not want a parting, you can work that out too. Next thing I'm gonna use is some styling balm, and usually a little goes a long way, but when it comes to this hairstyle, I like to be very generous. So I'm using about that much. And you can always add more if you need more, probably will. So just spread it through your hands, and then actually start from the back, from the root to the ends. And then just make sure you spread it throughout the all air. Zoom. And then just comb it again. Yeah. Then comb it all back and find where your parting falls, if you were in a parting. I'm looking at the little screen on the camera. Should have got a mirror. And voila. So this is style number one, which is a wet look. So what's going to happen with this is just going to dry naturally and it's going to stay styled. If you don't want to keep the wet look, once it's dry, or even just before it dries when it's damp, you can run your hands through your hair and will look less wet and will still stay styled. Right, amigos, next day, here I am, minimal effort. All I did was have my morning coffee, brush my teeth, shower without washing my head. And obviously my hair wasn't this style when I woke up, but all I did was really minimal. Got a comb again and just combed it really. There is still some styling balm there from yesterday, so you just need to kind of, and this gives that natural look. But if you still want to keep the same look as yesterday, have it slightly wet, I rather like one day I have more of a wet look, the next day I wake up and I have more of a soft, dry but nice styled look. But if you want to keep the wet look, you just wet your hands, run it through your hair, a tiniest bit of styling balm, and you might not even need more styling balm. The one that is in your hair might just be enough. But anyway, by all means, if you think you need a little bit more, apply it and just comb it, and you'll have exactly the same hairstyle as you did yesterday with minimal effort. I keep saying it, minimal effort. But yeah, it's so true. And that is it for now, guys. Stay cool.